Good morning. We're found again with the MQL Suite Morning Market Report. Investments with margin exchange involve considerable economic risks, and anyone who does them does so under their own and exclusive responsibility. Therefore, the author of this teaching session assumes no responsibility for any direct or indirect damages in relation to investment decisions taken by the listener. Today is Thursday, the 18th of April. The Asian stock exchanges are weak, especially Seoul, penalized by the news of the launch of a missile by North Korea. In Japan, the Tankan Index fell in April from 10 to 8. Wall Street yesterday closed with poor earnings and does not seem to react to quarterly reports, while pharmaceutical and healthcare companies weaken after the announcement of the candidate in the primaries, Bernie Sanders, of wanting to extend and strengthen state health coverage. In Europe, the bond is positive. In the markets, there is caution, while the estimates of the PMI of France, Germany, and the Eurozone are expected to understand if the manufacturing sector is recovering. Expectations are for a score equal or less than 50 points. Particular attention will be paid to the German figure after the slowdown in the industry and after Berlin has lowered its growth estimates for 2019. On the agenda today, there was also the data on producer prices in Germany. The figure disappoints expectations, falling to minus 0.1% from 0.2% in February. The analyzed index also fell, falling to 2.4% from the previous 2.7%. The United States PMI flash estimates are expected in the afternoon, as well as the new requests for unemployment benefits, expected to increase compared to the last reading. It's 17 past 10 at the moment. The Australian dollar is earning 0.23% versus the New Zealand dollar. CHF yen is losing 0.13%. The euro is weak, with the euro AUD that is losing 0.05%. The performance of the pound are mixed, with the GBP NZD that is earning 0.24%. The New Zealand dollar is very weak. In particular, NZD CAD is losing 0.10% and NZD USD is losing 0.28%. Finally, USD CHF is on the daily parity. Indices are moving in range at the moment. Only the Holland index is in trend and it is gaining 0.27%. All the commodities are moving in range. The Japanese yen is the strongest currency of this morning. It is gaining 2.20% on the basket. On the contrary, the euro is the weakest currency of this morning. It is losing 1.50% of the basket. The best performance is recorded by the GBP NZD that is earning 0.25%. The worst performance is recorded by euro yen that is losing 0.52%. That's all for now. Have a nice trading.